Okay, so I was just reading about how AI can help us decode the human genome, and it totally blew my mind,
Wait, what? That's wild. I mean, how exactly can AI do that? It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie.
right? So it turns out AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of genetic data way faster than scientists can. We're talking huge data sets.
Oh, wow. So they're essentially like super speedy assistants for geneticists? That changes everything.
Exactly. And the implications are huge. Imagine the breakthroughs in personalized medicine, like treatments tailored to our unique DNA.
That's incredibly fascinating. It's like we're becoming our own doctors in a way. But wait, is there any concern about this technology?
Definitely. There's tons of debate around privacy and ethics, like who owns our genetic data? That can get pretty murky.
Wow, I hadn't really thought about that angle. So it's not just about the science, but also the moral implications.
Totally. It's like we have this incredible power at our fingertips, but we have to tread carefully.
And that makes me think about how important it is to have diverse voices in discussions about AI and genetics.
Exactly. A wider range of perspectives could help navigate these ethical waters. It's essential for innovation.
You know, I wonder how this compares to previous technological advancements in terms of societal impact.
That's an interesting point. Like, think about the internet's role in democratizing information. AI could do the same in healthcare.
Right. And also, do you think AI could also lead to some negative outcomes, like misdiagnoses due to data biases?
Oh, absolutely. If AI is trained on biased data, then yeah, we're potentially amplifying existing inequalities.
That's actually kind of scary. I hadn't considered how biases in data could affect lives directly.
It really shows how much responsibility is on researchers to ensure fairness in the models they design.
It's a big burden, but can also lead to a more equitable healthcare system if done correctly.
For sure. And all that AI learning could also help spot patterns we haven't even considered yet.
Right, like discovering links between genetics and environmental factors, which is still a pretty gray area.
Wow, that gives me chills thinking about how interconnected everything is. It's a whole new level of analysis.
I mean, the potential for breakthroughs in understanding disease is just so exciting. But how do we manage that optimism?
Great question. There's definitely a need for ethical frameworks to guide these discoveries as they happen.
Absolutely. It's like we have to balance innovation with a sense of responsibility.
Right, and it's not just scientists. Every stakeholder has to be involved. That makes it even more complex.
Exactly. It's almost like a group project in school, but the stakes are significantly higher.
Haha, totally. And can you imagine if AI could help facilitate discussions among different stakeholders?
Oh wow, that could lead to consensus in tackling these issues. How cool would that be?
It could revolutionize collaboration. We'd be blending tech with empathy, which is so powerful.
And it reminds me of how much potential exists in combining disciplines. Science, ethics, art, you name it.
Exactly. When different fields come together, it creates space for amazing discoveries. It's a win-win.
So if we take all this together, AI in genetics has endless possibilities, but also major responsibilities.
Right? It feels like we're on the brink of something massive. But we must keep the conversation going.
Definitely. We need to ensure that technology serves humanity, not the other way around.
And isn't that the crux of it all? Like, how do we stay curious yet cautious?
It's a delicate balance, for sure, but keeping dialogues open is how we'll navigate it.
Exactly. So, what do you think the next big breakthrough might be in this field?
I'd bet on AI revolutionizing how we understand and treat complex diseases, maybe even cancer.
That's a fascinating thought. Providing personalized treatment plans could change lives.
And if done right, we could make healthcare accessible to so many more people.
That's really powerful. Imagine a world where healthcare adapts to individual needs.
Totally mind-blowing. We need to keep pushing for innovation responsibly, though.
And ensuring that we don't lose sight of the human element in all of this.
Exactly. It all comes down to how we choose to use these incredible tools we're building.